How to pay yourself as an entrepreneur so that you can smooth out the ups and downs of variable income. Variable income is great because you can usually make much more, but there's also the additional stress and risk of managing the big income fluctuations up and down, which can really screw with your finances. Some months you have a big month and then other months you make nothing. So really high highs and really low lows, and it can be tough. So what I'm going to talk about today is a simple solution to this high ups and low downs of an entrepreneur's income. Here's the secret. What you want to do is you want to pay yourself a salary that you need to live on every month, and then you leave the rest in the company. It's pretty simple, right? Well, this is how you do it. So I'm assuming you're a business owner and that you're incorporated, but if not, this can work too. So what you do is you figure out how much you need to live and to pay all your bills and to live your life every month. So for example, here in Vancouver, you could have a couple with one child who own their place, and let's say they need $8,000 a month to pay all their bills and live life. So they need $4,000 every 2 weeks. So what you do is you set yourself up on a salary payroll from your company, and you pay yourself the same amount every 2 weeks, same as if you worked for someone else. We do this, we totally automate this by using a payroll company to actually do this for us. The big ones here in Canada are ADP or Ceridian, but your bookkeeper, your accountant, they also offer this service. We use one of these big payroll companies and they do it all automatically every 2 weeks. I think I get paid. They also manage all the taxes and all the deductions off everyone's paychecks so that I never have to worry about it. And this helps us and our employees because we don't have to save for income tax every year. We get it deducted at the source, so I don't even have to think about it. And it's crazy how many business owners get into trouble because of income tax. Doing it this way solves a lot of this problem, right? And I personally recommend that you get a payroll company or get your accountant or bookkeeper to do this. I would never do this myself. It's totally worth it to pay them. It's not that much per month and you never need to worry about it. So that is the key to smooth out your income. So now you just need to live on this every month. And now your company can have big revenue months and low revenue months, but you and your family and your personal life have the stability because you get paid the same all the time. You just need to keep the income coming in, right? So that there's always money to pay your salary. And this could be salary, it could be dividends, work it out with your accountant. This also helps to combat lifestyle creep or Parkinson's law. So as you make more money, you spend more. But by paying yourself the same every month, you don't really get into that paycheck and lifestyle inflation. At the end of the year, you should have surplus funds left in the company, which is called net income, or it's your profit, right? And then what you can do with that is flow it to your holding company tax-free as an intercompany dividend. I'm not an accountant, not accounting advice, but when you need to transfer that money from your operating company to your holding company. And now your holding company becomes your long-term money and investment storage vehicle. Your holding company can own all sorts of stuff. You can keep the money there or you can reinvest it into something else. I've got 2 videos here on YouTube about setting up a holding company, so just look for that on YouTube/Say Pacific. That's it. Very simple solution to the wild up and down fluctuations of business owner incomes or entrepreneurial income. First, make sure you're incorporated as a company, and then call up one of the payroll companies or get your accountant or bookkeeper to do this and set up a salary or a dividend payroll. And then you pay yourself the same amount every 2 weeks or every month, regardless if you made a huge chunk that month or if you made nothing. And then this is the amount that you live on. The rest, you keep it in the company and you reinvest. Or you flow it to your holding company for the long-term storage or to invest. And then for us, what we do is we put our holding company money into a life insurance policy that grows, but then we're able to keep the liquidity through leverage. And I've got tons of videos on that as well. So let me know in the comments if this video helps. And if it did, please click like, please click subscribe, tell the algorithm how much you love us so that the algorithm will push these videos out to more people. Thanks a lot, and we will see you next time.